So I'll be showing you how to reduce the transparency of the liquid glass interface in iOS 26. So you can see with iOS 26, you get a lot of transparency. For instance, in the control center, you can see how much transparency there is there. So to reduce that so that things are a bit more legible, you can go into settings. Under settings, go to accessibility, tap on that, and then go to display and text size. And then you should see the option called reduce transparency. So if you enable that, it's basically going to reduce transparency. So now if we go back to that control center, you can see now we have a bit less transparency than it used to be. So if we disable it and check, you can see what that looks like. So there's a big difference. So this option basically reduces the transparency if it's too much for you in iOS 26. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.